Hi everyone, I want to record this video and do a reaction about the statement coming from the official Facebook for Creator page of Facebook Meta. Let's play the video and we'll react or add some original inputs, okay, from every statements shared by the Facebook for Creator group, okay?
Hi, I'm Eli Livne, head of Facebook Creator Product. We just brought some top creators together for Facebook Creator Day, and they did not hold back. So what did we hear? Here's what
Okay, so according to the first few lines or statements, they tried to address all the feedback and the comments they received from all Facebook content creators and did some action plans and implemented those action plans into actual visible results. Okay.
came up loud and clear. Number one, monetization clarity. Creators wanted more transparency around how earnings work. Why do similar videos earn differently? What drives RPM? You told us you need more predictability and consistency.
Okay, so more clarity regarding the monetization or RPM. RPM stands for revenue per mil. Okay, so if you're going to explore your Facebook analytics or performance insights, we will find some radio buttons there which defines every metric. Okay, so make sure that we always read those information so that we can have a better understanding of how the metrics work. In his example about monetization.
Number two, better bonuses. Creator told us our bonuses should reward quality, not just volume. You don't want to feel like you're posting just to feed the machine. You want bonus structures that make sense, clear eligibility, and goal.
Okay, so better bonuses. We know that Facebook also provides some, for example, on my end, what I experienced was the additional $1 extra bonus. So there are many other forms of the bonuses depending on the follower count or uh, s- community of the content creator. But yes, I can I agree, and we also know they really have the bonuses for Facebook creators implemented. Okay.
And encourage your best work. Number three, simpler, more focused creator tools. You told us managing your presence on Facebook shouldn't feel complicated. You want creator tools that are modern, intuitive, and built specifically for how you work. One place to see your analytics, manage your comments, and handle your content without the clutter. It wasn't all
Okay, so we already addressed or made another video on this one highlighting the improvement made, especially on the Facebook Analytics Performance Insights, wherein most of the important data are now uh, it has a better interface. At a glance, you can already know how much your views have improved, the interactions, the engagement, and then if we go down to the lower part of our performance, the estimated or approximate earnings for monetization, and then on the lower part are the important, most important tools and the uh, support features from Facebook Meta. So let's
tough love
continue.
though. Creators got hands-on with new tools like Creator Assistant and our affiliate tools, and some sneak previews of things to come. The energy in the room was real.
Okay, for affiliate marketing, guys, I know everyone here are eligible or they have their affiliate marketing feature activated as well. For affiliate marketing, what I'm sure of, please understand that it's a separate monetization from our actual earnings from the content monetization tool. Okay, so it's being billed by a third party. So for example, you're in the Philippines, you manage your affiliate marketing through Shopee, and the Shopee affiliate marketing platform will be the one to bill us with the commissions or earnings. It's outside the boundary of Facebook Meta. Okay, it's only the monetization tools which are under the content monetization features like um, the Facebook Reels, photos and text, extra bonuses that are within the scope of Facebook Meta when it comes to earnings or monetization.
Creators call their affiliate tooling a game changer. This is just the beginning. We're listening, we're building, and we're doing it with you. Stay tuned because what you said is shaping what comes next. Share in the comments your feedback about what we should be building next for you. Number
Okay.
five,
So what should we building next for you? You need to improve your system, your artificial intelligence tools on how to properly verdict or sanction or penalize content creators who are really violating the rules. Okay, because most of us, like our page, like Anika Family Vlogs, are penalized of inauthentic engagement, whereas we do not engage with the fake engagement since day one. Okay, so I'm still wondering why the sanction or penalty hasn't, or violation is not yet lifted. It's about 3 days now. It's still the same. So what I did is to also post this comment. I'm also intentionally recording this video, and I will monitor whether any representative from Facebook will reply or acknowledge my comment or not. Okay, I will also monitor whether they will delete my comment. Okay, because this is very important. I know many of us content creators were um, especially those persons who are decent and responsible. I know many of us were penalized of depending on the violation. It's still a violation, especially if it's a account level violation, wherein even if you delete your videos, the violation will still remain on the account. Okay, so there has to be some action taken to resolve the violations issue in a timely manner, especially for those people who doesn't deserve to be penalized or given incorrect violation sanctions. Okay, so kindly comment your thoughts if you also feel the same, and let's continue our conversation from there. Thank you.